Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making Christmas cookies as today is Christmas Eve and tomorrow's Christmas. So I'm going to tell all the ingredients in the description down below so you can see them and take in the correct measurements. So first I'm going to be using butter. So you're going to take a mixing bowl and you're going to put your butter in. And then you're going to need sugar. And then you're going to whisk them together until softened. Now you can see these are softened together and mixed together well combined. Now I'm just going to scrape them out of the edge. There we go. Now we're going to add one large egg. We're going to add some vanilla. Now we're going to whisk them together again. Now you can see these are well combined together. Now we're going to add our plain flour. If you want, you can heat treat these flowers so all the germs present inside it will be killed. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now 1 teaspoon salt. Should be good. Now first you're going to mix them with a spoon together and then you're going to use your hand to make them into a dough. First I'm going to use a spoon. As you can see, they are well combined with the spoon. Now I'm going to combine them with my hand to make them into a dough. I'm going to take out the spoon. Now I'm going to combine them or knead them with my hand. This kneading process will at least go for over 2 minutes, so you might take time. As you can see, I kneaded them with my hand and to make a dough. Now it's as a dough. I'm going to take a ball and I'm going to put them in there. Make sure you take a medium-sized ball because you don't need it to be big or small. So now I'm going to make them into a ball. I'm going to keep them and make sure you press them down with your hand. Now they're as this thick, you're going to take one kind of cookie cutter. I'm taking a Christmas tree here. Just keep them. Okay, I need to press this down a little more. Now I'm going to use this and I'm going to press this down. Immediately don't take them out. First remove the excess off. You're going to remove all the excess. And you can use them again to make other shapes of cookies. Now stay like this. Don't take them out yet. Just move them around a little so they're going to be easy to take out. I'm moving a little. Don't move them too much or it'll break. Just move them a little. And now you can probably use your hands. If it doesn't come out with your hands, you can also use a spatula. Now you can see they're on the size of the Christmas tree. Now you're going to take a glass pan to keep in the oven. And take that. Now I already took a parchment paper and I spread some butter in it so it'll be more easier when you take out the cookies. So you're just going to keep them there and you're just going to keep your Christmas tree and whatever shape you made. Like that, like so. Just going to do that. And you can make other shapes. You can make other shapes and keep them. As you can see, I cut them in different shapes. Now we're going to put them in the oven. Yay, our cookies are ready. Now let's check them out. Wow, look how our cookies have turned out. They've turned out to be so crunchy, I think. Look at them. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell way and jingle bell way. Da 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 da. Oh, the jingle bell and that we go. Now that our cookies are turned out to be great, we're going to do the icing. For icing, you're going to need powdered sugar, some milk, and vanilla extract. First, you're going to take the powdered sugar, you're going to add the milk. You're going to also add the vanilla extract. Now I'm going to mix them together until they're all combined. Now the food colors are ready. I'm going to dip my cookies into these food colors to get the design on them. We're going to dip it nice and easily. Move it around a little. Take them and dip them a little more to get them all on the sides. Keep them on the plates. Now I'm going to take another cookie and dip in another color. I'm going to take this shape, the heart shape. I'm going to dip them. I'm want to get them all on the edges and the corners. Take them nice and easy and place them on a plate. You can see how the cookies have turned out to be. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye!